Welcome to Blender, the free 3D software that's more powerful than your will to live. Today, I'm going to teach you the basics of Blender, so you can go from clueless to still clueless, but slightly informed. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening. Blender, first, open Blender. If it crashes, congrats, you're officially a user. You'll see a beautiful default cube. That cube is your best friend. You'll delete it anyway, but remember this moment. It's the only thing that ever loved you. Step 2. Navigating the viewport. Hold the middle mouse button and move around. That's orbit. Scroll to zoom. Hold shift and middle click to pan. Or just flail your mouse until you cry. That works too. Step 3. Selecting stuff. Click to select. Right click brings up the context menu. Left click also selects blenders like you'll figure it out. Pro tip, if it doesn't select, that's your fault. Step 4. Moving things. Press G to move. Why G, you ask? Because M was taken by literally nothing. Anyway, press G, then X, Y, or Z to lock the direction. If it moves in the wrong direction, again, your fault. Step 5. Scaling and rotating. S to scale. R to rotate. Congratulations! You're now 3% Blender certified. Step 6. Edit mode. Hit Tab to enter edit mode. Now everything looks scary. That's normal. You can select vertices, edges, or faces. Each one is more confusing than the last. Step 7. Modifiers. Also known as Blender's magic spells, add a subdivision surface modifier to smooth your mesh. Instant soup spoon. And on this step, you will learn cut loops. You can add cut loops by pressing Ctrl plus R. Add a mirror modifier to pretend you're good at modeling. Let Blender do half the work because you're lazy. We all are. To do this, first cut your object in half like this. So delete all the vertices of other side, and now you can work on one side. It will mirror on the other side just like that. Step 8. Materials and shading. Click the Shading tab. Here's where you pretend to be a scientist. Click New. Drag spaghetti noodles between nodes and hope for the best. Want metal? Increase metallic. Want glass? Break your GPU. Step 9. Rendering. Hit F12 to render. If it turns black, surprise. You forgot a light. If it crashes, even better. You've reached professional level. Final thoughts. That's it. You now know Blender. Not well, not responsibly, but enough to act like you do in front of your friends. Like the video, subscribe, and remember, every pro started with the same confused face you have right now. The difference is, they Googled harder. See you in the next tutorial, where we might actually make something, or just cry together again.